right?
Yeah.
I said, you forget you used to live in a trailer park? Are you recording?
Yeah. I want to show everybody, dog.
Okay, we'll do it without me talking.
Why?
Cause I sound like a fucking idiot. Just stop it! I'll throw your fucking phone.
You don't sound like an idiot. You just think you do. Come on, you guys.
Come on.
Damn, the whole park is gone.
Hey, you should record it up here, not down here.
Up where?
You should walk into it and we'll be quiet. We'll be like, crikeys, guys, look at this.
Crikeys. Look, see if we can find us a crocodile.
Fucking name, Mike.
There's something jumping right there, or is that raindrops?
Raindrops.
The whole park is almost
Holy
gone.
shit.
Who wants to go down the slide?
No one!
All this water was the park. Damn. I cannot believe this.
Be here. Oh my God.
Asha, don't do that in your booth.
Get all the rocks.
No, I don't want to.
Holy shit. I wonder if there's any fish right here.
That would be funny.
I needed to wash my boots.
Damn, some ducks right there just floating in the park.
Where?
Oh, shit.
Right over there.
I
Asha, jump rock the rock. Come on.
I can't do that.
What?
Junior can. Why?
Jump.
See? Easy.
I cannot believe this shit, dog.
Down there.
Look at the current coming in, dog.
Oh, you can't walk all the way.
But I can get on these rocks.
Come on.
See, easy. It's not easy.
Hey, give me here. Step up there.
Just step.
No, I can't. Hey.
Go ahead. I got you. Holy shit. Damn, look at that current coming in from the river.
Oh my God.
Keep going, you're all right?
That's a hard rock. Help me.
I got you. Go ahead.
Stop. That's funny.
Right, you might get a walk all the way across.
Why?
Let's get pointing right here. Point.
Damn.
You want me to come back and carry you?
If you carry her, I can get across.
I'll carry her.
This is fucking crazy. None of this shit is part of the river.
Hold on.
Look, the picnic tables are in the water.
Jump up.
I gotta jump this. Yeah! Holy! Look at this water coming in from the river. Way over there. Holy shit. Ah! I don't know how I'm gonna get back across.
You want me to help you?
Yeah, a little bit.
You want a piggyback ride?
Yeah. Or hold my hand.
Well, if you fall, I'm gonna let you fall, so you might as well just get on my back. Alright, here, I'll hold my shoulder and just step in.
You can't feel none of that water?
On my boots?
Yeah.
No.
Damn.
I mean, you can feel how cold it is, but that's about it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Just jumped across all them rocks.
Hey, turn away, turn away. People are taking
Damn.
Three.
Oh, you guys can get out and walk on this. It's not that bad. Not on that side though. Get on this side, Arizona. I want to go get to the bathrooms. I want a picture over there. Look at the water down there.
Yeah. Come on, Aniceto.
You can walk
Jump in
on
the
this
grass. Woohoo!
When I was walking through up there where the current is,
Yeah.
you could feel
it?
Yeah, the
It's
current.
hella current, dog.
Yeah.
For just being flooded over. Just walk through the grass. Get up here. You got it?
You okay, bud? Did it hurt? Not bad.
Damn. That's deep too. Yeah? Walkway's gone. Flood. Whole walkway's underwater. Damn, we can't make it to the bathroom, huh?
You want me to take your phone over there? You want me to stop it or just keep going?
You can stop it if you want.